This is how to make another channel on YouTube. In this video, guys, I'll show you how to create another YouTube channel on the same account.
Firstly, we're going to use the Chrome version of the YouTube Studio. You just go on Chrome, type YouTube Studio and click on login. It will bring you to your dashboard here. On the top left corner, just scroll down to settings, and when you get to settings, press channels, then go to advanced settings and scroll down to the end. In the end of advanced settings, you're going to see manage YouTube account or remove YouTube account. Click on manage YouTube account and it will redirect you to this page. In this page, just scroll down to your channels. Under your channel, you're going to see channel status change feature, add and manage account. Click on add or manage your account. Then to bring you here, then click create account. Under create account, you can select any picture which is going to serve as your profile picture. Then you scroll down a little bit and you see where you are going to put the name of the channel. For this tutorial, I'm just going to put example, and you can adjust the handle. I didn't need to adjust handle because it's just for tutorial. Then click on create channel. Automatically you have a new channel with the same email. Now we are opened a new channel. I'll go ahead and just type in the name of my YouTube page just to see if it pops up. Please guys, if you have gotten to this point, please click on the subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up. And if you have any other question, I'll be in the comment section. If you also want to learn how to open a new account with a different email, because this one is the same email we are using with a different email, just let me know in the comment section and I'm going to do a video about that. Thank you so much guys for all the engagement and the love in all my videos. So my loves, the channel has now been created. If you follow these same steps to be able to create your own channel.
That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next video.